quiet vehicle. True. Oh, but we do have lap belts. Do it! You don't even really have to try to make it fast because it's just fast. I'm ready, Freddy. Hello, everybody. I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. As always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away. Oh, my Lord. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hi. Hello, I'm Christopher. This guy to my immediate left is Jake the Snake. And this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, say your things.
I'll say some things. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'll put the phone number above our heads. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down, call us about this Backdraft or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time. And also, like and subscribe because it helps us help you, help me, help Chris, help me, help you. And when you subscribe, hit the bell, because then you get notified when we make cool stuff like this. And we make cool stuff like this all the time, and you want to get notified because this is cool. Also, if you want full photo sets of all of our cars, interior, exterior, engine bay, undercarriage, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com. You can see everything there, pricing, specs, stuff like that. But for now, we're going to drive it, show you how awesome this thing is. Chris, take it away.
Is it awesome? Oh, I think so. 1965 Backdraft Cobra. It's an RT4 edition. It's got the 427, powered by the beautiful Ford company. 5-speed. It's got an 8.8 rear end with 355 rear gears, coilovers on all four sides. Obviously, four-wheel disc brakes. It's beautiful Wimbledon white.
Yes, it is.
With Guardsman blue stripes.
Yes,
it's got the beautiful black interior. Oh, it's got a heater and a glove box. Neat.
Yeah.
They don't all come like that.
No, they don't. Those are options. And the blue stripes on the Wimbledon white is like the most classic Shelby color combination you can get.
And it's got a matching stick to boot. Isn't that adorbs?
Yeah, the shift knob is white with blue stripes on it. Just to go with it.
460 miles on it?
460.
Oh, for the love
basically
of
brand
Pete.
new.
Of course, this is my boss calling me, so let's answer this question. Hello.
Anyway.
Anywho.
Where were we? Miles? Mileage?
Miles at 460, is that
460. So these show up, we order them brand new, and this one we did order brand new about a year ago, a little more than a year ago. And they come with 60 or so test miles on them. We just got this one back from a gentleman. It only has 460 on it now. So it's basically still brand new.
It really
Very
is.
well kept. There's not really any rock chips or anything on this
Got the knockoffs?
Yeah, we got the knockoff wheels that are gray with the brushed lip.
Bumperettes.
Awesome. We got the coated headers and side pipes. Help keep those cool so you don't burn your leg, although there's still a warning label on the door sill to let you know you might burn your leg. You got the single chrome roll hoop, which is awesome. You got the Le Mans style gas cap. Another cool touch. I do like just the plain black interior. I think it's classy.
That's all you need.
You got the reverse speedometer gauge. It goes backwards because that's a Cobra thing. And then, of course, you got a big old 427 and a 5-speed. So what else do you really want?
Yeah, 5-speed trim. You can't beat that with a stick. Why don't we start it up and take it for a ride?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
The seat is warm.
By the way, it's a black seat.
Yes, it is a black seat, and it was in the sun. Oh well. I'm gonna put the lappy part of my belt on. Very nice.
Oh wow.
I love these things.
Yeah, I put the fan on, I don't know why.
I mean, you don't have to. That's the fan switch right there.
And there's a light indicator.
Yeah.
That you know you're on it.
There's a light that tells you that it's on. You don't have to have it on all the time. It's a warm day, so we're going to put it on. There's your heater controls down here. Very nice.
Very, very nice.
All your gauges here in the middle. Water temp, voltage, fuel gauge. Goodness.
She gets out of her own way, don't she?
Water temp is very low because we cold started it. These are carbureted, so sometimes you do have to pump them, but they usually just fire right up. Voltage is good, oil pressure is great, oil temp hasn't moved. Again, it's cold. I think we're good. Goodness gracious! Yeah, it's a backdraft.
It is a fast one. That's his second gear.
Hey, does that ever get old?
Nope, never does, never does. I never thought it would, but
I don't think it does either.
What are we doing here, pal? Hallie?
Oh my lord.
It's so much fun.
It is. Roundabout's fun. It's still cold. Take it easy.
Is she cold though? She feels pretty good to me. It doesn't even matter. It's so
That
fast.
thing's shaking.
Are we shaky?
I gotta tighten it down. Whoops.
We're tightening it all down.
Wow. Take it easy, Stabile. It's still gotta warm up.
Boy, she's a beautiful car.
But it is not slow.
No.
Not slow at all.
Sounds good. Drives good. Really comfortable car. Shifts like butter.
It does shift like butter. And you have a glove box.
I love the glove box.
For storage.
I know it's silly, but
This one does not have power steering,
I love it.
but that's how I would option it. I don't like the ones with power steering. That's just me.
Yeah, if you're worried about a grocery store parking lot, you bought the wrong car.
Yeah. But this is a really good spec for this.
Oh man, I love the Wimbledon white.
Yeah. The 427 and a 5-speed, I think is the perfect backdraft.
It's all you need. 6 speeds, it's too much.
Yeah. It's too much shifting.
I don't want to shift.
And we do
Not
have
that much.
side mirrors here.
Yeah, they do kind of help.
They do kind of help. They do kind of block the wind. Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, to start it, you have your battery shut off down here. You got to turn that on. Then you turn the key on, and then it's a push button. It's
Isn't
a
that weird?
big red starter button, like you're going to launch a missile.
Feels like a missile.
All right, here's the stop sign. A little bit of a bean test. Take it easy, Stabile. Lord in heaven!
Only 35 miles an hour.
Yeah, that wasn't 80.
No.
That was 35. We always do the speed limit here, and that's a guarantee. Wow. Yeah, it's not. You don't get a feeling in a car like a backdraft.
This is such a quick drive. We didn't even say that much on the way here.
No, it was just. It's like we warped through time, and now we're already at our flyby spot.
Boy, this is a fun car.
I gotta
Turn the blinker off.
I gotta take a breather now.
I forgot my name. Pretty sure it's Chris.
Yeah, it is Chris. I remember.
It's so exciting.
All right, you ready to do some flybys?
I don't see why not.
All right, let's do it.
This is the most fun ever. Let me get out, and then I'll grab the brands. Do it. You don't even really have to try to make it fast because it's just fast. There's no weight to it, obviously. Here he goes. And it's, well, it's loud. Between the side pipes, headers. In fact, it's a great engine made by our good friends at Ford. Can't beat that with a stick. It is just a cool, cool car. I love going on test drives with them. They're the most fun. Here she comes. Wimbledon white. Guardsman blue stripes, by the way, if I didn't mention that. Sounds
hello.
pretty slow.
It's not. I think you're being facetious.
Yeah, I am very facetious. This is a great, great car. Can't wait to drive it back.
I'm at a loss for words.
There are no words to describe this
Yeah,
thing.
there's really
It's
not much to say about
impossible
it.
to
You
tell
kind of just have to come drive it and see for yourself.
people. Yes.
There's nothing like it.
It's just beautiful.
You ready to go back?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
Let's do it.